Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Before we get to that, let me talk a little bit about my current GoPro, which is the Hero 5, and why I'm upgrading. This was indeed a great GoPro when it came out, but for the last 5 years things have changed a lot. Everyone wants 4K videos now, and this offered only 4K 30, and that was also not stabilized, and that's not going to work for me in bike because the stabilization is very important. And Hero 11 seemed to be the right upgrade because it had 4K 120 FPS with stabilization. And it was my birthday, and I asked my wife to get me one of these, and she got this for me. So this we purchased it from a place called Design Info. It's an online website that sells camera equipment. This is the first time I'm buying from there. Happy with the package, happy with the delivery. It was prompt, the deal was good, the price was great. I will add the price details in the description below. And I not only got the Hero 11, I also got the charger and the 2 additional batteries. The reason being, I had a lot of problem with Hero 5 with the battery performance. I had to charge every time when I stop using my power bank. I don't want to go through that again, so this time we just got the adapter and 2 batteries. So Hero 11, we got everything I need: 4K 60 FPS, hyper smooth stabilization, slow motion, and it's even future proof. It has 5K 60 FPS, which I'm not going to do right now, maybe later on once the TVs are all up for it. But for now, 4K 60 is going to be my all my walks is going to be in 4K 60 going forward. Came with the carry case. It looks good, and there are a lot of videos about the specifications. I'm not going to talk about all the specifications. I'll list them on in the description. But this is what you get in the case. You have the Type-C cable, you have the curved mount for the helmet. I won't be using those. My helmet is already sorted with the mount. And you have the screws, you have your Enduro battery, and you have the clamp and the GoPro itself. So it doesn't come with the case because Hero 11 has its own mounting socket at the bottom, so you really don't need a case. But if you can get one if you want to protect it. Slightly dusty, but I guess that's okay. I will update it before I start using. And it's all in the pack. And we also have these instruction manuals, your terms and conditions, do's and don'ts. Right, and this is the battery packs. And these Enduro batteries are supposed to last longer, and they are also advertised to be good at extreme cold temperatures, but that's not the reason why I'm getting these. I read that they also last a little longer, so that's what I wanted, and not think about changing or charging the battery every time I have a coffee break. So this is going to be very useful for me. Pretty straightforward. 2 batteries. So I think this is going to be my new vlogging setup. I will from the next videos you guys can expect me uploading 60 FPS videos. Stay tuned for that. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and ride safe.